Add Watermark to PDF files in PicoPDF. Open your PDF and go to the Edit tab. Click the Watermark dropdown and select Add Watermark. Choose either text or image as your watermark type. For text, enter your content, select the font, size, style, and color. For an image, click Browse to upload your file. Rotate the watermark and adjust its opacity. Choose whether to apply it to all pages or specific ones. Then click Add Watermark to view the changes. Continue watching this tutorial for more details on how to add watermark to your PDF with PicoPDF. To begin, open your PDF file in PicoPDF by clicking the Open button or dragging your file into the application. Navigate to the Edit tab, then click the Watermark drop-down in the toolbar and select Add Watermark. This opens the watermark dialog, where you can choose to add either a text or image watermark. If you wish to use text as your watermark, select the Text option. Enter your desired text, then customize it by choosing a font, adjusting the font size, and applying styles such as bold or italic. You can also set the font color to match your document's design or visibility needs. The watermark will appear in the preview area on the left side of the dialog. If you prefer to use an image, select the Image option instead. Click Browse to open the File Explorer, then select and upload the image you want to use. You can adjust the size of the image watermark by clicking and dragging the four corners of the image in the preview. The watermark can be rotated in 15-degree increments using the rotation controls or by entering a specific angle in the rotation text box. You can adjust its transparency using the opacity slider or by entering a value between 1 and 100. To reposition the watermark, click and drag the watermark to your desired location on the preview. In the Pages dropdown, you can choose whether the watermark is applied to all pages or only specific pages. Select All from the dropdown to apply the watermark to all pages. Select Custom and enter the page numbers where you want the watermark to be applied. You can enter multiple pages separated by commas, or if you want to apply the watermark to a range of pages, enter the starting and ending page numbers separated by a dash. Once you've finalized your settings, click Add Watermark to apply it to your document. To make changes to an existing watermark, simply select it, return to the Watermark dropdown, and choose Edit Watermark. Make your adjustments, then click Edit Watermark again to save the changes. To remove a watermark, select it in the document, open the Watermark dropdown, and click Remove Watermark. Be sure to save the file to finalize the changes. It's recommended to save it under a new file name in case you need to keep the original version. For more PicoPDF tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.